What's up, guys? Welcome back to Wavy Roads. Right now we are going to be doing the first drive of the S15, and I think you guys are going to be quite excited for this because it's been a lot of Subaru content or other people's cars, and I finally have one for myself, so I can start making more content of the S15. And I'm going to be doing a time attack / drifting build, so more videos will be coming out. Right now we're kind of on a standstill because I have to get it inspected. When you live in Japan, you have to get a JCI inspection, and just to make sure the car is good to go on the road. Japan is very strict on that. Like, you can't have any leaks. All the rubber on the car, aka axle boots, bushings, they can't be cracked. I mean, the car has to be perfect in order to drive. So right now I'm just waiting on getting all the certain paperwork and things necessary to make sure my car passes through the inspection line. But I have templates on, and we can drive the car around. I just put in a new clutch, so the car is moving now. And yeah, I'll hopefully I can put up a photo of what the old clutch looked like. It was absolutely roasted. But enough talking, let's get to driving. Ooh, it's a hot one out today. Here is the car, and bro, the buddy's blast pipes. But yeah, I don't know if you guys know this, but it has a carbon fiber hood, which is pretty cool. But stock motor, it's a Spec S. She's got some stockish wheels on it. This is as pretty stock as an S15 can get. The car is absolutely immaculate as far as rust and all that. It is super clean, and I got it for a really good deal. Let's go hop inside. I'll give a good give a little start. All right. Ooh, it is hot. Car now. Time for the first drive. This car is it's fun to drive. It is fun to drive. God damn it. Spot. this car is fun. This is my, if you guys don't know, this is my dream car. And, you know, living in Japan, it's a whole vibe. It's pretty fun. Oof, I need to work on my downshifts. I can only get better, so. So it's got an SR20. Got an SR20 DE, so it's non-turbo, but man is it fun to drive. And right now I am currently kind of braking in the clutch a little bit, so I do have to be easy on it, but just to prolong the life. But I already know I'm probably going to roast this clutch trying to drift and beating on it, but I've already swapped the clutch once, what's another one, you know? Especially with the little exhaust on it, like, it is fun. Content and the official like review video will be out once it's inspected and all that, so but I am just itching to drive. It is so fun. It does have coilovers, and I think it has stock sway bars, but it is so connected, and it's got an LSD in the rear or welded diff. I don't know exactly. It either has a really gnarly LSD or a welded diff, which is, I wouldn't be surprised because a lot of people in Japan just like to weld it, but it's the cheaper route. But this thing has some pretty nice goodies on it. It's got an upgraded like stereo system, and so yeah, it has the basic stuff. I I can never get old of this. This is fun. And this is only going like 40 kilometers. Like, it's fun. So, can't wait to actually get out on the highway and run through the gears, but it's nice. Yeah, I can start to feel the clutch like actually starting to work now. It's a little not as gnarly. But yeah, it's fun. Yeah, here she is. She's got like a Nismo shift knob on it, and upgraded stereo, and then I guess this is upgraded as well. I don't know what it comes from, or if it's like a upgraded OEM option, but let me know down in the comments what type of like AC cluster this is, because I don't think this is a 99, but yeah, it's really nice. And then it's also got like a dash cam up there. That's what the beeping's all about. It's a full stock interior. I mean, it's mint. Black headliner. It also has updated LEDs in all of the interior lights, which is nice. And then yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that first little drive. Yeah, I just stay tuned until I get that release video out. I'm gonna get the nice camera and film some really cool B-roll of me ripping through the roads, and yeah, I'm sure that you guys will like that. But the S15 is officially the new channel car.